We think AI is magic. But before the silicon and the code, there was a simple wooden bead. For centuries, humans dreamt of machines that could think. This is the story of how we made it happen.
1623. Blaise Pascal and Wilhelm Schickard built the first mechanical gears to do our math for us.
Fast forward to World War II. Computers became weapons of logic, filling entire rooms with glowing glass tubes.
Scientists like Alan Turing realized a machine isn't just a calculator, it's a universal brain.
In the 60s, mainframes were the giants of industry. Massive, cold, and controlled only by the elite. Then, the revolution moved to the garage. Hobbyists dared to make computers small, cheap, and personal.
Suddenly, the power of a mainframe sat on a desk. The world began to glow in 8-bit green. The mouse and the window changed everything. If you could point and click, you could master the machine. Then came the ping. The internet stitched the world together, turning every PC into a gateway. Computers left the desk. They became thin, light, and went everywhere we went. In 2007, the computer disappeared into our pockets. We were now connected every second of every day. But as we grew smaller, the cloud grew massive. Data centers became the cathedrals of the digital age. Deep inside these servers, something new woke up. Not just code, but networks that could learn.
Today, we don't just use computers. We talk to them. They understand our language and our art.
But with great power comes the ultimate question: can we control a mind that thinks faster than us?
By 2030, the screen will vanish. AI will be the invisible fabric of our homes and our lives.
In the labs of tomorrow, AI will decode our biology, curing diseases before we even feel the symptoms.
It will be our pioneer, guiding autonomous ships to the stars, exploring worlds we can never touch.
We are approaching the singularity, the point where human and machine intelligence become one. By 2100, the computer isn't a tool anymore. It's a partner in a brand new era of civilization.
From a wooden bead to a digital god, the journey has just begun. What will you build next? Subscribe to join the future. Tell us in the comments, are you ready for what's coming?